Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a really useful process, connecting Smartsheet to Power BI and building your very first visual. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pull your data directly from Smartsheet into Power BI, so you can create powerful, dynamic reports and dashboards from your existing sheets. This is the first step in building automated workflows and making your reports really come alive. So if you're ready to start integrating your data like a pro, let's dive right in. Alright, the first thing we need to do is open up Power BI and look for the Get Data option, which you'll typically find right up at the top left of your screen. Think of this button as the door to all your data sources. It's where you tell Power BI, here where my information lives. Go ahead and give that a click. Once the window pops up, you'll be greeted with a huge list of data connections. In the search bar at the top, type Smartsheet. This just helps you quickly narrow down the options because, as you'll see, there are a lot of potential sources. When you spot Smartsheet in the list, click on it and then hit Connect. Now, before you get to the next step, Power BI is going to check with you about the region you want to connect to. For most users, you'll want to pick US, since most Smartsheet accounts are set up there. This is simply about making sure Power BI knows the right spot to grab your data from, kind of like telling a delivery service which branch your order is at. After you've selected the right region, click OK to move forward. At this point, you might see a prompt asking you to sign in with your Smartsheet credentials. This is totally normal. Basically, Power BI needs your permission to reach in and get your data. It's all about keeping your information secure. Just enter your username and password, and if you've already connected Smartsheet to Power BI before, you might not need to do this every time. For me, since I've done it before, it's all set up already. But don't worry, even if it takes a few moments or asks you for permission, it's a one-time thing. The next screen you'll see is called the Navigator. This is where Power BI lets you browse through the tables and sheets you've got in Smartsheet. Think of it like looking into a neatly organized filing cabinet. You can peek in and grab just the document you want. Take your time here and select the table or sheet containing the data you're interested in visualizing today. Once you've picked out the sheet you want, you've got two choices right at the bottom. Load and transform data. If you're just pulling in the data as is, go ahead and click Load. If you want to clean things up first, maybe filter out some rows or fix a column, Power BI gives you the option to transform data. For this demo, let's keep it simple and hit Load. Now give Power BI a few seconds. This part can take a moment as your data makes its way from Smartsheet into Power BI. Now for the fun part, you'll see your Smartsheet tables show up in the Fields pane on the right side. From here, you can click any of Power BI's visuals like bar charts or tables, whatever makes sense for your data, and start dragging your columns onto your new visualization. This step is where the magic happens. You're officially building a visual report powered by live Smartsheet data, and that's pretty much it for connecting Smartsheet to Power BI and creating that first visual. If you followed along, you're now set up to explore your data in new, meaningful ways, and this is just the beginning. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment below with any questions or what use cases you want to see next, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Power BI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.